Hello there. Welcome to my new guide on how to build computers. Well, I'll start by assuming you haven't bought anything for your computer yet. So here's a list of things you have to buy. You can find a more detailed list in the guidebook provided. You have to buy a motherboard, a CPU or processor, a graphics card, hard drive, RAM, a CD drive, a power supply unit, and a casing. This is my sound card, and it's optional if you want to buy one or not. And this is a HUD unit. It's also optional. This is the processor fan. When you buy a processor, it should come with one already. But if you want better performance, you can buy a more powerful one. I'll leave you to buying the parts needed, and you can see me in the next part, building your computer. Thanks. Hello and welcome to the building part of my guide. The first thing you have to do is you always have to install the processor first. Alright, the processor should go into this area on the motherboard. First thing you must do is to open it up and take out the cover. Obviously I don't have the cover because my cover is already missing. There should be a plastic cover in here that you have to take out. Now, do not touch the pins at all. Take your processor, find the corresponding notches, and slowly set it down. Make sure it's in place. There you go. Now, for most people, when you buy a processor, they will give you a fan. Something like this. Alright, the fan should come with pre-applied thermal paste. But since I already removed mine, I have to clean up the thermal paste. So, now, just for the heck of it, and because I have to, I will apply thermal paste just to show you how to do it. Take your bottle of thermal paste and squeeze a little bit in the middle. Spread it around a bit, and there you go. You don't have to use a lot. After that, take the processor fan, angle it so that the cable is facing this direction and can connect to the fan port. Close the cover. And then lock it in place. You have to apply some pressure here. There you go. Alright. Now make sure the fan is angled the correct way because the CPU fan slot is here on the motherboard. Your motherboard might be different. That's why you have to read the instructions first. Set it down gently. Make sure all the 4 holes are aligned with the 4 holes on the motherboard and press down. There you go. The fan is installed. Take the fan part and plug it into the power supply on the motherboard. There you go. You've assembled the processor. Now check back for the second part where I'll teach you how to install the graphics card, the RAM, and the rest of the components on the board. Thanks for watching. Alright, alright, in this part of the guide, I'll be teaching you all how to install your motherboard into your casing. First of all, in this part of the casing, there should be a metal plate. Pop the metal plate out and install the one that the motherboard company gave you. It should be in the box somewhere. Just go search for it and pop it in. And after that, take your motherboard, set it down slowly on the 4 screw holes. And slowly slide all the ports into place. Now after that, just make sure all of the holes in the motherboard are aligned with the screw holes. Once you're done, just hold on a sec. Once you're done, just take a screwdriver and screws and just screw them in. I'm not gonna show me doing it because that'd be a waste of time. So just do it yourself. You should know how. Alright. After this, I'll explain to you how to install the graphics card and the RAM. Alright, thanks for watching.